In the next 8 minutes, I'll show you how to turn a single sentence into a finished, faceless YouTube video. Script, voiceover, footage, music, all of it. And you don't need a camera, an editing program, or any experience at all. We're going to do the whole thing with one tool called InVideo AI. And by the end, you'll have a video you could literally upload today. Stick around for the second half, because that's where I show you how to fix the parts the AI gets wrong, which is the difference between a video that looks cheap and one that looks pro. Here's the problem. Everybody says faceless YouTube is the easy way to start a channel, but when you actually try it, it's anything but. You write a script, then you go hunting for stock footage. Then you record a voiceover. Then you drag every clip onto a timeline and try to make it all line up. One video can eat an entire day, and that's before you've made a thumbnail. And to grow a channel, you can't post one video. You need dozens, consistently, week after week. The math just doesn't work when every single video takes a full day to make. So most people burn out after 3 videos and quit, convinced faceless YouTube was a lie. The reason faceless channels are suddenly realistic in 2026 is tools like this one. InVideo AI takes your idea, writes the script, picks the footage from millions of clips, generates a voiceover, and adds music and transitions, automatically in one pass. Your job changes from building the video to just directing it. Let me show you exactly how. Let's get set up, and it's genuinely a 1-minute job. Go to InVideo AI and create a free account. The free plan lets you generate videos, so you can follow along without paying anything to start. When you log in, you'll see a single big text box. That's the whole interface, and that's the magic. Here's how you talk to it. Instead of a vague idea, give it a clear instruction: the topic, who it's for, how long, and the vibe. Think of those as 4 dials: topic, audience, length, and tone. And the more deliberately you set each one, the closer that first draft lands to what's already in your head. So I'll type something like, create a 2-minute faceless YouTube video explaining 3 AI tools that save creators time. Upbeat and beginner-friendly, with a strong hook in the first 5 seconds. Notice how specific that is. It names the format, the exact number of points, the energy, and even the job the opening has to do. The more direction you give, the better the result. So treat it like briefing a freelancer who's fast and talented, but can't read your mind. Leave it vague and you get a generic video. Get specific and you get something that already sounds like your channel. Hit generate, and now watch what happens. In about a minute, InVideo writes a full script, breaks it into scenes, pulls matching stock footage for each line, lays down an AI voiceover, and drops in background music, and plays you back a complete first draft. From one sentence to a watchable video, with 0 editing on your part. The first time you see it, it genuinely feels like cheating. Watch it back the whole way through before you touch anything, because that first viewing tells you exactly which scenes are landing and which ones you'll want to fix in a minute. And here's the quiet superpower. Because it's this fast, you can generate 3 or 4 versions of the same idea, each with a different hook or angle, and just keep the best one. That used to be impossible. Nobody re-edits a video 4 times by hand. Now, testing different versions costs you a minute each, which is exactly how you find what the algorithm rewards. By the way, the link is in the description if you want to open InVideo and generate your first video right alongside me. Now, that first draft is good, but good isn't what gets you subscribers. So let's make it yours. The best part of InVideo is that you edit it by talking to it. See a scene where the footage doesn't match? Type a command like, replace the clips in the intro with footage of someone working on a laptop, and it swaps them out for you. Want the script punchier? Tell it, make the opening hook shorter and more dramatic, and it rewrites that section and revoices it automatically. No timeline, no dragging. You just describe the change you want. If a specific clip still isn't right, you can click that single scene and pick a replacement from the stock library yourself, or even drop in your own footage. Spend 2 minutes here fixing the 3 or 4 weakest scenes, and the whole video jumps a level in quality. That's the step almost everyone skips, and it's why their AI videos all look the same. A few smart swaps and a tighter hook is the difference between a video that gets ignored and one that actually holds attention. Here's my advanced tip, and it's the one that lifts your videos above everyone else using the same tool. Don't settle for the default AI voice. Generate your script in InVideo, then bring it into ElevenLabs for a richer, more human-sounding voiceover, and drop that audio back in. That one swap is the single biggest quality jump you can make, because the voice is what viewers notice first. A flat, robotic narrator makes people click away in seconds, while a warm, natural voice keeps them watching to the end. And once your video's done, run it through Opus Clip to spin out a week of shorts from it, so a single upload feeds your whole posting schedule. That little stack, InVideo to build, ElevenLabs to voice, Opus to repurpose, is how one idea becomes a whole content week. So that's the entire workflow. Type one prompt, let InVideo generate a full faceless video, then refine it just by describing the changes you want, and you've got something ready to upload without ever touching a timeline. What used to take a full day now takes a coffee break. If you want to try it, InVideo AI has a free plan and a free trial with no credit card required. And the link is right there in the description below. Using it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Now, I want to know, what's the first faceless video you'd make? A top 10 list? A how-to? A story channel? Tell me in the comments. I read every one. And if this got you excited to start, hit subscribe, because every week I break down one more AI tool that helps you create faster and actually make money doing it. See you in the next one.